Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll ECP, a powerful cloud-based payroll solution designed to streamline payroll processes for organizations of all sizes. Introduction to SAP SuccessFactors ECP. 1. What is SAP SuccessFactors ECP? SAP SuccessFactors ECP is a cloud-based payroll system that offers comprehensive functionality and global coverage. It uses the proven SAP payroll engine, ensuring accurate and efficient payroll processing across multiple countries and currencies. 2. Key features of ECP. Unified Payroll Control Center. This feature allows real-time monitoring of payroll processes, ensuring data quality and compliance with local regulations in over 50 countries. Integration with Human Experience Management, HXM ECP seamlessly integrates with SAP's HXM suite, enhancing HR operations and improving user experience. Automation and error reduction. The system automates many payroll tasks, reducing the risk of errors in employee data and payroll calculations. 3. Benefits of using ECP. Organizations can benefit from reduced processing times, improved compliance with local laws, and enhanced employee satisfaction through timely and accurate payroll. 4. Modules within ECP. ECP includes several modules that cater to different aspects of payroll management, such as multi-country payroll processing, employee master data management, and time-off tracking. 5. Getting started with ECP. We'll guide you through the initial setup process, including enabling Employee Central Payroll and configuring essential settings for your organization. 6. Real-world applications. We will discuss case studies showcasing how companies have successfully implemented ECP to streamline their payroll operations and improve overall efficiency. Conclusion. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central Payroll is, its key features, benefits, and how it can transform your organization's payroll processes. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content on SAP solutions, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for watching.